Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch these readings for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe. Magic Vents Tarot, subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram, friends. And to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And make sure to watch the pick a card reading for July. I have already done that. It is already been covered in English, and another is done in Hindi Urdu on the my Hindi Urdu channel, friends. Magic Vents Tarot Hindi Urdu, and also horoscopes readings are also done there in Hindi Urdu, so check that out. Link is in the timestamps. Let's see, Sagittarius, what is happening for you in July. Let's see the theme for Sagittarius in July. All right, Sagittarius, karma. So you are definitely feeling like, all right, you're definitely feeling like this is a tough time for you. I'm sorry to say that, but you're feeling like you are being tested right now. You are being challenged in many, many ways. But you know what? Saturn, actually, Jupiter is retrograde, and there are tough, aspects with Saturn also in this month. But you know what? When life tests you, when Saturn is in a hard aspect with you or with any other planet, there is definite surety of a reward coming your way. So this is a destined month for you. Something destined is happening for you. Something very karmic is also happening. Karmic cycles are being completed. Karmic rewards are also coming. So this is a destined month for you. You may feel a bit challenged, or you may feel like you're coming out of a challenge. Like you had been through a long, long cycle. Like something, I don't know how to say, like you're coming out of a big cycle, a karmic cycle, like 10 years or like 20 years, or maybe like 5 years. Your life was same, same, same. But now in July, you're coming out of that cycle. Some of you may feel like it is a very peaceful month. Some of you may feel like, whew, you will have mixed feelings about July. I'll be very honest, Sagittarius. I'm an Aquarius. I can't lie. Even if I try, I can't. So it's a tough thing being an Aquarius. Thankfully, as a psychic, it's important to say the truth. So it works for me, but usually it's not such a good thing, to be so honest. Trust me. All right. Yeah, I'm just trying to make you laugh here because yes, you are feeling like you are coming out of a cycle, and you are waiting, and you will get the rewards for it. Something destined is happening. Look at that. Some of you may also miss something from your past or somebody from your past. July is about nostalgia. July is about remembering fondly about your childhood, missing somebody from your past, and missing your school days. Not missing, it's like you're remembering those things. And yes, definitely a very karmic month. Karmic blessings, karmic cycles finishing, blessings, rewards coming, and yes, money coming. The hard work you have done since a very long time, Sagittarius, it is going to pay off. Money is coming your way, success is coming your way, recognition is coming, fame is coming. So I'm telling you, this is a mixed kind of a month. Emotionally, you will be feeling very nostalgic. Some of you may come out of a difficult legal situation, or some of you may actually go through a divorce, or you're coming out of it. So you are like, this is a mixed month for you, happy as well as sad. Like you miss the thing, but you are sad, you're relaxed, like it's over now, you're free. For others of you, it is like a new relationship is coming for you, a big, like you are already married, so you are moving into like the parenthood, or you are single, you are moving into a relationship. So this is a mixed kind of a month for you, but rewards, yes, they are coming. Whatever you are waiting for, patience, whatever you had been working for, it is coming your way. Karmic blessings, destined, very, very powerful destined month. Let's see your love life, Sagittarius. Page of Wands. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag. The King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Two of Wands. Sagittarius, their love life in July. The Six of Wands, the High Priestess, the Ace of Wands, the Eight of Cups. Love life in July for Sagittarius, the Four of Wands. Yeah, marriage. See, some of you could be getting married in July. So, see, it's a big change. It's like a destined change, something that, it changes your life. It also makes you happy and sad because, something is ending, like the old life. The singlehood is over, but now you are, in a different phase of life. So, mixed feelings. Sagittarius, their love life in July. All right. So, Sagittarius, I definitely feel that your love life is looking good in the first week of July. I do feel some sort of an excitement is coming for you. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I do feel that if your person was behaving a little immaturely or they were behaving a little too impulsively, you will notice a change in your person in the first week of July. They will be more emotionally mature, more patient, more loving, and that will bring healing to your love life. Your relationships problems will definitely end in the first week of July. So it's a good week. Some sort of an excitement is coming. If you are single, some new proposals are coming, or someone will tell you that, ooh, they like you. So, a crush energy, I can feel that. And Two of Wands, yes, very mature love. Love is very mature. Love is very sweet in the first week of July. Let's see the second week of July. Yes, in the second week of July, those who left you, those who ghosted you, they are coming back. Definitely a reunion is happening here because this person feels a very, very strong telepathic connection with you. They can't live without you. They want you back, and this is a very, very fated, united connection. This person can't. They tried to move away, but they can't, and they feel this. There is this passion between you and them, a very strong passion. A flame of love is ignited, and yes, this time you will be successful. If you're worried like things will happen go bad in the past like they did in the past, things will go bad like they did in the past, no, this time you guys will be successful because this time this is a new start. For some of you, you might be saying bye bye to the past person and moving in with a new person where there is a lot of attraction, lot of passion, and a deep telepathic communication. Let's see the third week. So yes, the third week is definitely you are taking your time. You are trying to see and understand your love life, or you are trying to see where things are going. You are very patient about your love life, Sagittarius. You are in no hurry, but definitely marriage is on the cards, and talks about marriage, talks about settling down, commitment. For some of you, if you are already married, your marriage will be very stable, very secure in the third week. And yes, whatever you are waiting for, like if you are married, you can have a chance of pregnancy or a second honeymoon or something. Yes, for some of you, if you are single, a strong chance of getting married in the third week. I do see that, yes, twin flame connections are also important in the third week. Yes, some of you may actually plan to travel, get your vows done again, or you might also actually see pictures of your wedding if you are already married. So, nostalgia. The final week of July, let's see that. Two of Cups. So yes, your partnerships are definitely deepening. Your soul love is, love is becoming very soulful. Your partners are falling in love with you, Leos. Oh my God, I don't know why I said Leo, because definitely there is an Aries, Leo, Sag person here. So you could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Here also there is a fire sign. So, yeah, there is a mutual love and passion, mutual attraction in your relationships, and a powerful new start. Something is cooking up, a powerful breakthroughs, a destined. Some of you may actually move out or, buy a home together or settle in or live in together. Some major decisions will happen in the fourth week of July, and you might also be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. For some of you also, if there were problems in getting married because of family or different religion culture, I think those issues might resolve in July. So good luck, Sagittarius. Let's see some advice for you. Foundations and achievements. Yes, you are definitely working on deepening or strengthening your partnerships and laying a good foundation. Love begins. Yes, this is a powerful a new start, a new cycle, a new karmic cycle, a new 10-year plan. Some of you may actually plan a new baby, like you are already having kids, but you might be surprised with a baby. So, yes, and look at that solar plexus, yes. So, there is a lot of attraction, there is a lot of people you are attracting, a lot of positive energy. Also, watch out on your ego, Sagittarius. Don't listen to your ego. Follow and listen to your heart, because solar plexus is like a healthy solar plexus is, it doesn't fight with the heart. A healthy solar plexus is in alignment with the heart chakra, but an imbalanced solar plexus will try to overpower the heart chakra, and that's exactly what you don't need to do. So I know you got my point, right? So let's see the work and career for Sagittarius. The Page of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and a lot of people are involved in your career, and the Ten of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles, and the Justice. Ooh, lot of people are involved. All right. So, first things first. At work, expect a slow pace or try to do things slowly and steadily, Sagittarius, because a lot is happening in your work and career. Things are actually very, very fast, or something very big is happening in your work and career. So take your time, don't try to hurry things. Another thing, if you are a student, a lot of people are affecting your decisions, especially if you are a student. Like, your parents are saying one thing, your friends are saying one thing, you have another thing, your teachers are saying another thing, so everybody has a say and you are confused. So I would say, take some time, meditate, and then take your decisions. Especially if you are a student, meditate and then decide, because a lot of people are trying to say a lot of things and it can lead to confusion if you are a student, Sagittarius. Another thing is, I feel like this is a very karmic month for you. You will have karmic rewards and karmic blessings in the month of July, especially in your finances. So, yes, some of you could be inheriting money, some of you could be actually donating money, some of you could be buying some property, or some of you could be getting some property from family businesses. Some of you could be also getting married to a business family, so money is coming from that way. Also, marriage, family is investing money in your businesses, or you're getting married to a rich family, business person, business family. Lot of money, friends, lot of money is coming your way. But take your time, friends, take your time in making. There are three pentacles, so it is a strong grounded energy. You have to be patient. Don't try to hurry things, don't try to rush things, because certain things take some time. Like, you might feel impatient. In the Sagittarius, the main problems that you will face is you're very excited about the things happening in your work and career and finances, but the main problems you will face is with the pace of the things. The pace will be slow, but you want to hurry things. Like, legal proceedings take some time, paperwork might take some time, or you might crack a deal, but it might take some time to eventually get that job or to get hired. So there is this restlessness, so don't get into that energy of restlessness. Try to stay patient, and let's see advice. Cut the cords. Yes, I do feel this is a time you are letting go of some things, ending a karmic cycle and starting on something new. Yes, definitely there is some sort of a cords cutting, and your endings and new beginnings. And look at this, connecting with the universe, connecting with your prayers, your soul's desire, and trust the universe. So yes, friends, do trust the universe, Sagittarius, to bring you what you definitely desire or want in your career. Harmony and resolutions. Yes, peace is coming, harmony is coming, and a lot of financial success is coming, so don't worry. So let's see what else. Tower, a solid foundation. Yes, stock, new beginnings. Yeah, a new childbirth. Some of you getting a childbirth unexpectedly. peace and harmony. Some of you starting a new business. Rose, yes, love is in the, romance is in the air. August, yes, for some of you August or someone born in August is important. Sun, happiness and well-being. Kangaroo, unsettled times, you need to plan ahead. Yes, you need to be patient, friends. October, someone born in October is important. Ram, a stubborn person is there. Someone is behaving stubbornly. A goal oriented person, yes, you're very goal oriented. Marriage, talks of marriage, commitment. Hidden secrets can harm you. Yes, I do feel it can harm you. Roaster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Yes. Quill, get back to the basics. Yes, I told you, friends, you have to be patient. You have to follow the system. Otherwise, this is karma. You know, friends, this is karma. This can affect. If you are not patient, you know it can affect. If you are patient, it will reward you. Saturn test you. Secret admirer. Yes, a lot of secret admirers are there. Wheel, success, luck is coming. Leg, starting something new. Nest, family is very important for you. So that's it for now, Sagittarius. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye for now.